continue singing. This is a new song that we introduced last week about the glorious exchange of Christ on the cross for our sin. Let's sing it together. What is the truth that ever anchors me amidst the waves of all my guilt? That Christ has shed his blood and pardoned me at the cross. He bore my sin, I bear his righteousness. Oh, what a glorious exchange. The wrath of God laid on the spotless Lamb at the cross, where justice was fully satisfied, where mercy beckoned my heart to life. Oh, all would be lost with no hope to find, but for the cross of Christ. How do I walk? How do I walk? With humble confidence, I look to Christ to set me free. He stilled my hope and my inheritance at the cross. When sin prevails, I claim his cleansing blood. When filled with fear, I claim his peace. Though I am weak, I stand in victory at the cross, where justice was fully satisfied, where mercy beckoned my heart to life. Oh, all would be lost with no hope to find, but for the cross of Christ. One day I'll stand before the King of Kings. One day I'll see